Hello, everyone, and welcome to 1283 Mount Vernon Drive, located in Daytona Beach, Florida, inside of Colonial Colony South. Stepping inside here, we have a beautiful Florida room, climate controlled. Through the sliding glass doors is your living room. And to your right here, is your first bedroom. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath split floor plan. Colonial Colony South is a 55 plus community with clubhouse, pool, plenty of amenities. It's golf cart friendly, motorcycle friendly, pet friendly. Through your living room right here, flows directly into your kitchen dining area. Down the hall here to your left is your second bathroom. Right on into your second bedroom. This home does feature a large garage and a laundry facility right on the back side of the garage. Stepping out here goes right into your laundry area. Very spacious. It is a 12 by 12 area. And through this doorway here is your 20 by 12 garage. The garage features a time controlled exhaust fan to keep out all the moisture from the Florida weather. So come on down, check it out. It is 1283 Mount Vernon Drive in Daytona Beach, Florida, in Colonial Colony South.